Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Giant White Goose Plush-20 soft furry swan stuffed animal pillow. This adorable plush is the perfect hugging pillow for people of all ages, and it's guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. First of all, let's talk about the super soft fabric. This giant stuffed animal goose is made of skin-friendly soft rabbit-like fabric and filled with PP cotton by hand, making it incredibly soft, smooth, and lifelike. Plus, it's not easy to deform, so you can enjoy its cuddly embrace for a long time. But wait, there's more. This plush is available in multiple sizes, ranging from 20 inches all the way up to 75 inches. And with an invisible zipper on the abdomen, it's easy to disassemble, wash, and fill, so you can keep it clean and fresh. Not only is this plush incredibly comfortable, but it's also the perfect sleeping companion. Just imagine snuggling up with the white goose after a long day and feeling the warmth and security of a motherly hug. It's the perfect way to relax and unwind. And the best part? This plush has a wide range of applications. Use it as a hug pillow, a mattress pillow, or a nap pillow wherever you like. It's a great gift for parents, children, co-workers, and partners, so you can spread the joy to everyone you love. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description and get your very own Giant White Goose Plush-20 soft furry swan stuffed animal pillow today. You won't regret it. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.